Now let us compute. Number 1 is sine 75 degree. Now we are aware about the values for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So how to evaluate 75 degree? Now sine 75 we can write it sine 45 degree plus 30 degree. Even we can take sine 60 minus 15, sorry 16 plus 15, but again we should be knowing at least the value of 15 first. Okay. So we are using the values which we are already aware of. Now sine 45 plus 30, now this becomes sine 45 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 45 degree. Okay. So which formula we have used? Sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now evaluating the values, sine 45 degree is equal to cos 45 degree is equal to 1 upon square root of 2. Then sine 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2 and cos 30 degree is equal to square root of 3 upon 2. Okay. So we are going with all these values. Now 1 upon root 2 times root 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 2 times 1 upon root 2. Now this becomes root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2, and finally this becomes root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 with root 2 upon root 2, okay, by rationalization. So this becomes root 6 plus root 2 upon 4, answer for part 1. Okay. Now part 2, it is tan 15 degree. Now this we can write it tan 45 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, because 45 minus 30 is what? 15. Now again tan A minus B, this is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan 45 degree minus tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan 45 degree tan 30 degree. Now tan 45 is what? Tan 45 is equal to 1 and tan 30 is equal to 1 upon square root of 3. Okay. So this becomes 1 minus 1 upon square root of 3 upon 1 plus 1 upon square root of 3. Putting tan 45 as 1 and tan 30 degree as 1 upon root 3. Now this becomes root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Denominator cancels. Now rationalization. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Now this is equal to root 3 minus 1 whole square upon square root of 3 minus 1 whole squares. Okay. So this becomes further 3 negative of 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. and this becomes finally 2 minus root 3 answer. So, we are having answers for part 1 and answer for part